Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best away replacement battery for your devices, the INIU portable charger. Whether you're traveling, at work, or just out and about, this power bank promises to keep your phone, tablet, or earbuds charged quickly and safely without weighing you down. Starting with the basics, this INIU power bank packs a 10,000 mAh capacity inside a slim, lightweight design. It's 36% thinner and 28% lighter than many of its competitors, making it easy to slip into your pocket or bag without any bulk. Weighing just 7.4 ounces and measuring about 5.3 inches in length, it's truly built with portability in mind. But it's not just about size. The INIU charger supports fast charging with a powerful 22.5 W output that combines PD 3.0 and QC4 Plus technologies. What does that mean for you? It can charge your iPhone from 0 to 65% in just 30 minutes. That's twice as fast as traditional 2.4A chargers. This kind of speed is a game changer when you're on the go and need a quick power boost. One of the standout features is the USB-C input and output. Unlike most power banks that only allow USB-C input for recharging the device itself, this one lets you both charge the power bank and your devices through the same USB-C port. This makes it future-proof and perfect for the latest iPhones, iPads, Samsung phones, and any other USB-C compatible gadgets. Safety is another area where INIU shines. Equipped with TempGuard 2.0 technology, this power bank monitors the charging temperature over 3 million times a day, protecting your devices from overheating and ensuring a safe charge every time. It's also TSA and FAA approved, so you can bring it along on flights without any worries. When it comes to capacity, while it's rated at 10,000 mAh, the effective capacity is around 6,000 to 7,000 mAh that actually reaches your devices due to power conversion losses. Even so, this means you can expect multiple charges for your everyday gadgets. Approximately 1.4 full charges for an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Over 3 charges for an iPhone 13, and plenty for your smaller devices like AirPods or tablets. Inside the box, you get the power bank itself, a USB-C cable, a travel pouch for easy carrying, and a user manual. Plus, INIU backs their product with a 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support, so you're covered in case anything goes wrong. Charging the power bank itself is efficient too. Using a 20W fast charger, it can recharge fully in about 3 hours, while slower chargers will take longer. This flexibility means you can top it up overnight or during the day without hassle. Overall, the INIU portable charger is a fantastic blend of power, portability, and safety. It's designed for anyone who needs reliable fast charging on the move without the bulk of bigger power banks. Whether you have the latest iPhone, Samsung, Google Pixel, or AirPods, this charger adapts automatically to deliver optimal power safely. That's it for today's review here on Product Critique. If you're looking for a slim, fast, and dependable power bank to replace your everyday battery needs, the INIU portable charger is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.